Hey guys! Welcome back to another episode of Lindsay Time! So in today's video, I'll be doing my hair. Yes, so I'll do another DIY and I'm gonna be dyeing my hair because I have a lot of white hair. If you can see, ayan, ang dami. And it's kind of bothering me. No, my husband. I'll do Taglish.
No, it should be English.
Okay, so I have a challenge, guys. I'm gonna be speaking in English right now because my husband wants me to speak in English while I'm doing this vlog, this video. So, oh my god. Okay, let's do it. It's hard to dye your hair alone because I'm gonna be doing a full hair. Ayan. For this time, I'm gonna be using this product that I bought from Fashion Beauty store at Carson, California. We were just roaming around the Carson Mall the other day and then I saw this store and it's all for hairs like that. So I bought this Adore, don't know how to pronounce this one, cream permanent hair color, and it is in the shade dark brown. Because I tried before to dye my hair but I used a lighter shade and it didn't cover my gray hair, but now I'm gonna be trying this. It's a dark brown, so I hope it will work on me. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna be opening this box and it comes with this. The first one is the hair color. Ayan. Okay. And then the second one is the hair developer. And it also comes with the plastic gloves, the nourishing color conditioner, and the insert in directions. So yeah. The other stuff that I have here with me is a bowl, of course, where I will be mixing the product, and this brush for me to spread the hair dye. And of course, clips. And lastly, I need something to cover up. Okay, so I also have this improvised cover up. So I won't be putting a mess on my shirt. I have a trash bag. I cut it already on the top and here on the side. So I'll be putting it now. Will is supposed to help me, but he's busy playing with his phone.
Hey, you just don't want me to mess it up.
Or maybe he would mess up my hair if he do so. So I'll just take care of it. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna do is I would need to tie my hair. I'm gonna do this side first. So I have my mirror there, and yeah. So I only have this half of my hair. Next is that I'm gonna be putting the gloves now. And then I will be mixing the product. Okay, so first these two should be mixed together. So I'm just gonna be putting it here in the bowl. And then just mix the product. Make sure to mix it well, guys. So next step is to apply on my hair, but make sure to apply first on the gray areas of your hair and then the rest sections of your hair. So yeah, so there you go. I mixed it. So now we're putting it. Oh my god. It's so hard to see. You need to help me, baby.
Okay, 2 minutes.
So, if you're wondering why I'm doing it myself and not going to the salon, I'm trying to save money. Yeah, because I just got this one for only $8, and if you go to the salon, how much it costs? I don't know. More.
Do I put a lot?
On the gray ones. Wait, here.
Does it go like all the way down?
Yeah, but we need to cover the gray ones first. Don't get the one in there. Up.
Oh, go up?
There's hair there, red, white hair there.
So am I supposed to go up?
Oh, yeah.
That's what you have to say. Go up. I think it's better if you do it. I don't think I'm doing a good job because I don't know how much to put or anything. Your hair's falling out.
Ah.
I believe in you, honey bear. I don't want to mess it up. Look, if it doesn't come out good, you're going to blame me. I know this. I feel it.
I hope I will still have enough for the bottom of my hair. Or else it won't be even, guys. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, don't put so much. Are you supposed to dilute it or something?
No.
Well, I think you're putting too much because the brush is so hard. You don't need to put so much in one spot. Just a little bit.
Yes, sir. You know? Okay, so I guess I'm done. Now I'm doing the back of my hair.
Need help doing the back?
Sure.
Are you ready for the back?
Oh.
Sorry, wala kami dito.
Do that section first.
There's still a lot of gray hair up here.
Okay. Need to cover later. Just do that first.
Okay, done.
The back nga. You
What?
shortcut?
What do you mean?
You do the back wrong, so. Don't. My skin.
Yeah, you're already dark, okay?
Ay.
I'm getting the roots. Don't ask for help if you're gonna... Look, you could either tell me what to do or how to do it. You can't do both. Okay?
Wow.
I got this. Oh, done.
Thanks.
Do you need me anymore?
No more. You've done your part. I'm just gonna be combing it so there's no tangles. Then I'll do the rest of my hair. Oh, I don't have enough hair dye to just cover all my hair. My gosh. How am I gonna do this one? Okay, last.
Did it last? Were you able to cover everything?
I guess. I don't know if I covered all. Okay guys, so I'm done and I'm just gonna let this sit for like 20 minutes and then I'll just rinse it and I'll be back. So yeah, see you later. Hey guys, I'm back and I just finished rinsing this one. Naligo na din ako. Ayan, so this is how it looks like after. I guess it's so good. So yeah, I think it covered all my hair and I don't see anymore my white hair. Oh my god, I'm super satisfied guys. It looks like black kasi nga dark brown, but I think as time goes by it will lighten, and if I get the black shade it will be more dark and I don't want that because I guess hindi bagay sa akin. Oh my god! Perfect! Okay, so I'm just gonna dry it with using this blower and I'll show you the final look when I'm done. So there you go guys, I already dried my hair and I've noticed that it's not all covered up, but yeah, when you look at like this, it's so nice, not that bad. I'm so happy with the result guys, and yeah, I look so fresh and I like the color. What do you think guys? Just comment your thoughts down below, and yeah. So by the way, again, it is the Adore Cream Permanent Hair Color in the shade dark brown. So these are the different colors also. They have medium chestnut, dark chestnut, dark medium brown, and dark brown. So this is what I got. And I don't want to use, or I didn't get the jet black or black velvet because that's super black. And I just want like brownish like that. So I got the dark color so that my gray hair would be covered up. And yeah, I still see some gray hair but not as bad as it was before. So yeah, okay, so I will rate this product 8. Why? Because I didn't get enough product for my hair, but overall it did a great job. That is it, and I save a lot of money by just doing it myself. And yeah, it only cost me $8, and if you go to the salon you will probably spend like $60–$80 like that. Not sure, it depends. So yeah, there you go guys. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next vlog. Bye!